so much for being here. In the next little while, we are going to pack together for a winter wonderland. That's right, Europe in December. So whether you've got that dream trip coming up as well, just like I do, or you're just here for some holiday travel inspiration, I have to tell you, you came to a perfect spot. Okay, should we just get started? I've already turned on the lights in the closet. So I've got a bunch of sweaters here. Definitely gonna pick up some of them. And I've got some summer clothes or dresses here. Don't think I'll bring a lot of summer clothes just because it is winter time and I want to dress up warm. So first I'm going to share the essentials, and then we're going to share things like tech, like cameras and stuff. Third, I'm going to share what kind of skincare I'm gonna bring. Since it's winter time, we do want to have our face moistured as much as we can. So I just picked out all my clothes, the things that I wanted to bring. It's a little messy here. Okay, so I got 3 sweaters. They all can, whether it's like casual or if you want to go out for dinner, they work out. And then I got 2 hoodies. They both are like pretty warm. And I got my base layer because this is like thick. It's like warm. And then I've got this. This one is it's pretty light, but just figured if we do go out for dinner or something, I also have another option. 2 pair of jeans, one like blue, another one is like black. This is my PJ, and of course, like the hat, gloves, scarf. I brought 4 pairs of underwear and 4 pairs of socks. So 2 light ones, 2 thick ones. Here is a bunch of packing stuff. I don't know what's this called. Like, what is this called? No idea. But bags, packing bags. Yeah, so they're super useful. I've got 1, 2, 3 big ones, 2 little ones. I also have a bunch of like here, so all depends like what I want to use. Okay, let's start to pack.
Yeah.
Okay, next one is our camera. So obviously the body is currently filming right now. So we got different lenses for like shooting, battery. Well, this one's like kind of vlogging thing, but we ordered a DJI. That's like another exciting thing happened. For the tech and camera, like charger and all those kind of stuff, we have to make sure everything is actually charged well every day if you're like taking a lot of photos or like filming. I have to find the charger because in Europe they're like the charging thing, charging. I don't even know what's that thing called, like the little holes on the wall, like where you charge. Like, anyways, so those things are different. We have an international charger, so I just have to like.
This is the international charger, I'm saying. Found them.
Everything here tech related that we're gonna bring. So we've got everything camera here. So we have camera body, battery, charger, lens,
and a memory card reader. Then we have everything DJI, and then a laptop.
In terms of shoes stuff, we suggest that you do bring a waterproof one just because it's going to be raining a lot. I'm going to bring my boots and my walking shoes, so 2 pairs of shoes. Skincare and makeup. So I do have a makeup bag already. So this is like the travel bag. It's a little like messy, but you know, I can find everything there. I'm going to bring this. This has been with me for like a really long time. So this rice cream thing from Korea, I've been using it a lot because it's just so like moisturizing and stuff. So I'm gonna bring that. Things. I've got this little bag, and I'm just gonna show you what I am bringing. So I've got a bunch of stuff here. There's the patch for your pimples, and then the hair thing, the cream, sunscreen, foundation, and hair tie, makeup removal, oil for your face, just in case it's too dry there. Okay, we're all good and ready to go. All packed. Okay, time to wrap this up. If you enjoyed this video and you feel like the tips are very helpful as well, please go smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, keep exploring, keep smiling, happy packing.